Hello and welcome along again. This week's video, you probably guessed it, see us working on the van again. So in previous episodes, if you've been following the series, we went to have a look at the world's cheapest bongos. Didn't quite work out how we expected, but yeah, it was an experience if nothing else. Last week's episode, you'll have seen us where we picked this old girl up. And this week we're going to start the transformation, shall we say. So the next few things that we need to do is give it a good clean inside and out. So the window wipers, they're old and tired. Let the van down a little bit. And also the wheel trims, they're all cracked and broken. We could tidy those up. Also need to do a few other obvious checks such as oil, fluids, tyre pressures, and a few other fixes along the way. So without further ado, let's get cracking. There's a lot of work to be done. We want to get this van looking back to its best. Let's go.
So first step here done. Just wanted to get these seats out, shampooed, get them drying out in the sun so they can go back in at the end of the day. This is what I got out of it. Disgusting. This is the second lot. Pint of Guinness, anyone? Nah, you're alright, thanks. After removing the seats, you can see this interior trim, all mouldy, disgusting. Nice close up for you. Sorry if you've got a weak stomach. And here's the transformation, all fresh and clean. Such an improvement, but there's still more to do. After being left out to dry in the sun all day, these seats are now nice and dry, so time to get them back in the van. It's all fresh and clean now, van's put back together, so the finishing touch being this scent tree and letting off this scent bomb. Shut the door and leave that in there to soak. tyres and wheels now, so check the nameplate for the pressure rating and let's pump up the tyres. Next, taking off these old wheel trims, they're all cracked and broken, put a new set, but first we'll clean up the wheels. I've never been any good at poker, so this is a far better use for these playing cards. Keeps the paint where you want it to be. There we go. You've probably seen this before, but always a nice little trick. With the wheels underneath refreshed, time to get these lovely wheel trims on. No expense spared here, £10 from Euro Car Parts. Bargain. And for the last job of the day, I want to get these wipers off, and in the same fashion, get them refreshed and get some new wiper blades on. So all the wiper arms have had a base colour coat and a top lacquer coat, and now they're just going back on now. New wiper blades, as the other ones had seen better days. Glass needs to be ready for the MOT coming up soon. And here's the finished article. And if you've made it this far in the video, thanks for joining along, really appreciate it. If you could like and subscribe, it really helps little channels like me grow.
Well, that's it for this week. It's been a long day, but it's been a good one. We got the van looking so much better. Sorting out the inside, getting everything washed and vaxxed, just back to how it should be. The next jobs to do will be prepping for MOT. Also, we've got some rust repairs to do. So those back arches, they've rusted out and really let the van down. So we'll see if we can do a DIY repair on those arches to see if we can get those looking better. If you haven't seen the previous videos in the series, I'll put a link here and in description below.